Netflix is robbing you of thousands of dollars and you don't even realize it. I'm not just talking about the $12 a month that you pay month over month. I'm talking about something much deeper. Most people look at the cost of their subscription as $9 for Netflix, $12 for Hulu, whatever, and they go through all their subscriptions and they list the price and they think that that's what the actual cost is. But the actual cost is something far greater. The reality is those subscriptions, that $12 a month in Netflix, the $12 is irrelevant. It could be $20 and it still wouldn't cost you as much as the time that you spend watching Netflix, binging on those shows. If you spend 5 hours a day, which sounds like a lot, but to most people it's actually pretty realistic. It's only 5 episodes. Like for me, back in the day when Prison Break came out, dude, I was all up on that, trying to figure out how they were gonna escape and the story, and I could tell you all the characters, things like that. But then the reality of it is like, who cares? If I know the entire story of Prison Break, but I don't know how to sell a product or how to build a business, then what's the point? Most people think that these streaming services are trying to get your money. What they're really trying to do is get your attention. And they're super smart about it because they're disguising getting your attention as, oh, we just want a little bit of money and it doesn't cost you a whole lot. But in the grand scheme of things, all the time that you're investing into learning those shows is time you could be investing to learning how to communicate, how to build better relationships, how to enjoy your life, make more money. For me, the biggest shift that I was able to make was when I reduced watching those mindless like TV shows and drama series, and I started shifting my focus to watching guys like Tony Robbins, Alex Hormozi, Onyx and Gall, and other guys that are specializing in business, money, finances, things that I'm interested in that make me a better person. I've seen a dramatic shift in how I go through my day-to-day life with my interactions. Because, for example, to go back to the Prison Break, when I'm watching that, I associate, oh, okay, what would Michael Scofield do? What would this character do? If I'm picking these guys that are great in business, great communicators, understanding money, the great leaders, and I start associating, oh, hey, if this person were in this situation, how would they handle it? You can really tell the difference because now I'm becoming more like the person I want to be. I want to be that guy that people look to and trust and that gives good advice and really helps teach people about money and the intention behind it. Without me surrounding myself, because surrounding myself with a YouTube video of someone who's successful is the same thing as me calling that person and asking them, what's your opinion on this? This shift happened a few months ago and it's dramatically affected my life just over the past 6 months. The compound effect of me continuing to invest that time that I was spending on Netflix into time spent learning from people that are going to help make me grow. That better use time has allowed me to grow, and I keep saying the word grow, but the actual way that it's allowed me to grow is when people ask me financial questions, now, because that's all I'm around, it's listening about money, growth, personal development. When they ask me that question, oh, I remember it. I've been rehearsing it. I've been practicing it in my mind over and over. Whereas before, I was wasting that rehearsal time on pleasure time and leisure activity. As powerful as it is to be around people that are helpful and positive and business-oriented, money-oriented, that's great. But removing the negative effect of having these people that are trying to figure out, oh, this boyfriend slept with this girl and this guy said this, like that level of drama you don't need in your life. That brings you down as your performance. We all know proximity is super powerful. So when you're watching a YouTube video of a business guy that's helping you make money and grow your business, you're in good proximity. But when you're watching a gossip drama show, you're in bad proximity because the people in that show are just focused on the next little relationship or this little lie or this scheme, and you start to filter your mind to be reactive to those things. And always remember, what you put in is what you get out. To bring it full circle, Netflix's $12 a month is costing you thousands of dollars because it's giving you association to bad people, and it's taking up your time that you could be spending with good people. I'm not saying you can't have those streaming services. I'm just saying understand it's costing you a lot more than you think. And if you're gonna still choose to watch them, enjoy it because it's expensive.